What harms bones? Correct is B. Sodas. What is the best vitamin for skin health? Correct is C. Vitamin E. What actually causes most stomach ulcers? Correct is B. Bacteria. Which human organ can regenerate itself? Correct is D. Liver. What destroys the kidneys? Correct is C. Soda. What builds muscle the fastest? Correct is A. Protein. Who specializes in treating heart problems? Correct is B. Cardiologist. Enjoying the quiz? Hit like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments how many you got right. Okay, let's continue. Which hormone naturally controls your sleep? Correct is A. Melatonin. What actually causes most muscle cramps? Correct is C. Dehydration. What is the largest joint in the body? Correct is A. Knee. Which blood type is the universal donor? Correct is D. O. What bone structure protects the brain? Correct is D. Skull. Which fruit naturally lowers blood pressure? Correct is C. Bananas. What is the longest nerve in the human body? Correct is B, sciatic. What cleans the liver? Correct is A, garlic. Which organ produces the hormone insulin? Correct is C, pancreas. What mineral makes your bones strong? Correct is A, calcium. Which doctor specializes in treating children? Correct is D, pediatrician. What is the main cause of morning breath? Correct is A, dryness. Which organ removes toxins from the blood? Correct is C, kidneys. What is the medical name for the voice box? Correct is D, larynx. What strong tissue connects bone to bone? Correct is A, ligament. Which gland controls your entire metabolism? Correct is A, thyroid. What part of blood helps stop bleeding? Correct is C, platelets. The body's silent killer? Correct is C, salt. What is the leading cause of hair loss? Correct is A, genetics. Which organ is directly affected by asthma? Correct is C, lungs. What is the medical term for the tailbone? Correct is C, coccyx. What primarily digests food in the stomach? Correct is D, acid. Which organ stores excess bile for digestion? Correct is C, gallbladder. What is the colored part of the eye called? Correct is A, iris. Which organ pumps blood to the lungs? Correct is C, heart. What is the most common cause of dandruff? Correct is C, fungus. What pigment gives the human skin its color? Correct is C, melanin. What is the smallest blood vessel called? Correct is C, capillary. Which part of the ear controls your balance? Correct is A, inner ear. What is the most harmful substance for teeth? Correct is A, sugar. Where are new red blood cells created? Correct is D, marrow. What molecule carries oxygen in the blood? Correct is B, hemoglobin. What filters the air inside your nose? Correct is B, hairs. What physically causes a brain freeze? Correct is D, cold palate. What thick fluid lubricates your joints? Correct is C, synovial. Which organ absorbs nutrients in the gut? Correct is B, intestines. What is the brain's main source of energy? Correct is D, glucose. What naturally destroys bacteria in the mouth? Correct is D, saliva. What hard material covers the crown of a tooth? Correct is A, enamel. Which brain part controls involuntary breathing? Correct is A, brainstem. What is the most flexible joint in the body? Correct is B, shoulder. What naturally keeps the human eyes moist? Correct is C, tears. What muscle spasm actually causes hiccups? Correct is B, diaphragm. Comment below how many you got right, and make sure to like and subscribe.